Here is how you can go ahead and view files on your SD card using your Android phone. So first, you need to go ahead and open your File Manager application. Or in your Android phone, you might see the icon of My Files. Go ahead and open that application. And under storage, you'll get different or several options of internal storage, SD card, OneDrive, Google Drive, and all. Go ahead and tap on SD card. But in my case, SD card is not inserted, so it is not available in my phone. But if you have it, go ahead and tap on this option. And here you'll be able to browse the files on your SD card. You can also go ahead and share the files to different people or platform. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and access or view the SD card on your Android phone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.